was once a nightingale called Holly who could not sing.
La 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 oh, why do I sound this way? Maybe you're tone deaf.
Day after day, night after night, she practiced non-stop with all of her might. Her progress was slow, and she began to sound more like a crow.
Oh, why on earth do I still sound terrible? It's because you're a dumbbell!
Holly was filled with despair, for that was news she could not bear.
If nobody loves me, what's the use of being here? Help! Oh, I'm lost. I should never have run away. My wings hurt so much. I can't even fly. I hope someone will hear my cries.
Holly! Oh, there you are.
Mommy!
I'm so glad you're all right. Why did you run away?
I think I'm a dumbbell.
Whoever made you think that?
Everyone can sing. Why can't I?
It doesn't matter whether you can sing or not. We love you just the way you are, bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. Now, promise me you won't do this again. Ever.
I promise, Mommy. Can we go home now? It's creepy here.
Of course we can. Let's go, my dear. And with that, off Holly flew, out of the forest and back home with her family.
I love you, Mommy.
Oh, I love you too, Holly.